I'm Bridget Harvey, and this is a change of address. This episode, we're going to discuss making your home irresistible to buyers. First of all, you'll have me over. You'll show me what you love about the home, the upgrades that you've already made, and the updates that you're still considering. Second, we'll go through those repairs together. We'll discuss what helps you get the highest return on your investment. Third, depersonalizing the home. This is both removing your personal photos and memorabilia, and it's removing about half of your belongings so that buyers can see themselves with room to grow. Fourth, we'll discuss staging. I'll bring over one of my professional stagers. We'll look at what you already have in the home and maybe just rearrange it. If you want to maximize the return on your investment, we'll discuss a full staging, moving everything out of the home and bringing in fresh furniture to appeal to the widest variety of buyers in the marketplace today. Let's start the conversation. Let me know if you're ready for a change of address.